What's the biggest financial mistake you've ever made? Chances are you're still making it. We've all been there, a misstep here, a slip up there. But what if I told you that some of these mistakes are not just simple errors, but rather habits that have quietly woven themselves into the fabric of our daily lives? These habits, seemingly harmless, have a profound impact on our financial health, often keeping us in a state of perpetual brokenness. Today, you will learn the 9 biggest financial mistakes keeping you broke. We'll dissect each one, understand why they're detrimental, and most importantly, we'll discuss how to break free from these financial traps. Mistake number 1: borrowing to fund a lifestyle. It's like walking on a financial tightrope without a safety net. It's tempting, isn't it? To reach for that credit card or loan to fund the lifestyle you've always dreamt of. But remember, all borrowed money comes with a cost: interest. And this interest can quickly snowball into a mountain of debt if not managed properly. Living beyond your means through borrowing is a dangerous game. It's like building a castle on sand. It might look impressive on the outside, but it's unstable and can collapse at any moment. Instead of borrowing to live a life you can't afford, focus on building a strong financial foundation. Save, invest, and spend within your means. The key to a healthy financial life is not how much you earn, but how much you keep and grow. Mistake number 2: not tracking your spending. Imagine you're sailing a ship, but you've got no map, no compass. You're just drifting. That's what happens when you don't keep tabs on your expenditure. Each purchase, no matter how small, is like a drop of water. Alone, it seems insignificant, but together they can fill an entire ocean. That's why budgeting is crucial. It's your financial compass guiding you through the sea of spending. It helps you distinguish between your needs and wants, between the necessary expenses and the frivolous ones. It's about understanding your financial habits, identifying the leaks in your wallet, and plugging them. Perhaps you're spending too much on coffee, or maybe those monthly subscriptions are eating into your savings. You won't know until you start tracking. After all, if you don't know where your money is going, how can you control it? Mistake number 3: living beyond your means. This financial pitfall is like a siren song, luring many of us onto the rocks of debt and financial instability. It's the trap of spending more than we earn, and it's a dangerous game to play. We live in a world that encourages us to buy, buy, buy. Advertisements scream that we deserve the latest gadgets, the trendiest fashion, the flashiest cars. But the reality is, these things come with a price tag. And if that price tag exceeds our income, we're setting ourselves up for disaster. So how do we resist these temptations? By understanding our income and expenses, creating a budget, and sticking to it. It's about distinguishing between needs and wants, prioritizing the former while being mindful of the latter. Remember, living within your means doesn't mean depriving yourself of joy or comfort. It's about making wise financial decisions that secure your future. Living within your means is not limiting, it's liberating. I hope you're enjoying this video. Please like and subscribe for more content to help you achieve financial freedom. Mistake number 4: not having a financial plan. Imagine setting out on a journey without a map or GPS. You might eventually reach your destination, but at what cost? Time? Resources? Stress? That's what it's like navigating your financial life without a plan. A financial plan is your money map. It's a blueprint that guides your financial decisions, helping you to allocate resources effectively, manage debt, save for future needs, and invest wisely. Without it, you're essentially sailing on financial seas without a compass. You're at the mercy of economic winds and currents, which can lead you astray or even wreck your financial ship. Having a financial plan empowers you to take control of your financial destiny. It helps you set realistic goals, monitor your progress, make informed decisions, and ultimately achieve financial freedom. Remember, financial success is rarely accidental. It's planned, strategic, and deliberate. So, don't leave it to chance. Mistake number 5: relying on one income source. Now let's talk about why this is a bad idea. You see, when you rely solely on one income source, you're essentially putting your financial future at risk. Why? Because if that one source of income were to disappear, you'd be left with nothing. It's like walking a tightrope without a safety net. Now, imagine having multiple income streams. It's like having several safety nets. If one falls through, you've got others to fall back on. The benefits of diversifying your income are immense. You're not just securing your financial future, but you're also opening doors to new opportunities, creating freedom and flexibility in your life. It could be anything from freelancing, starting a side business, investing in stocks, or even renting out your spare room. The key is to explore, experiment, and diversify. Remember, financial stability is not about how much you earn, but how you earn. Mistake number 6, overpaying for housing. A roof overhead is a basic necessity, but when it becomes a financial burden, we need to reconsider our choices. The general rule of thumb is not to spend more than a third of your monthly income on housing. But in today's hyperinflated real estate markets, many find themselves spending half, even 2/3 of their earnings on their homes. This leaves little room for other essentials, let alone savings or investments. Affordable housing is not about compromising on your living standards. It's about making smart, financially sound decisions. It's about finding a balance between your dream home and your financial health. You might be tempted by the picturesque house on the hill or the sleek city condo, but remember, it's not a bargain if it's sinking you into debt. Your home should not be a financial prison. Mistake number 7, making emotional purchases. You know the feeling. A rough day at work, a tough breakup, even a celebration. And suddenly, you're treating yourself to a fancy dinner or an expensive piece of tech. It's called emotional spending, and it's a slippery slope. These purchases might bring a fleeting moment of joy, but they can lead to long-term financial harm. They're often unplanned, unnecessary, and can quickly add up, throwing your budget off balance. It's important to recognize these triggers and find healthier ways to cope. Instead of hitting buy now on that online shopping cart, take a step back. Ask yourself, do I really need this? Can I afford it? Is there a cheaper alternative? By making rational decisions, you're taking control of your financial future. Remember, it's not about depriving yourself of enjoyment, but about making smart, intentional choices. Money decisions should always be head decisions, not heart decisions. Mistake number 8, not shopping around for insurance. Now, this is a trap many fall into. Insurance, whether it's for your car, home, or health, is crucial. It safeguards you from potential financial ruin in case of unforeseen circumstances. But here's the catch. Not all insurance policies are created equal. Just like you wouldn't buy the first car you see without comparing models and prices, you shouldn't settle for the first insurance quote you get. Each company has different coverage options, premiums, and customer service records. It's important to compare these to ensure you're getting the best coverage for your hard-earned money. Don't be lured by flashy ads or seemingly low premiums. Dig deeper. Look at what the policy covers, the deductibles, and if the company has a good reputation for paying out claims. Remember, the goal is to find a balance between affordability and comprehensive coverage. Insurance is a necessary expense, but overpaying for it is not. Mistake number 9, ignoring the power of passive income. Imagine a river of money flowing into your bank account, even while you sleep or vacation. That's the beauty of passive income. It's income that doesn't require your active involvement. It could be from rental properties, dividends from investments, or even a side business that requires little to no daily management. Passive income is like a financial safety net, providing an extra layer of security. It's a buffer against unexpected expenses, job loss, or financial downturns. But more than that, it's a tool for gaining financial freedom. With passive income, you're not trading time for money. Instead, your money is working for you. It's growing, expanding, and creating more wealth without you lifting a finger. It's about making your money your employee, not your master. So don't ignore the power of passive income. Embrace it. Harness it. Let it work for you. Each of these missteps can lead you down a path to financial stress and uncertainty. But the good news is, each is avoidable. It takes awareness, discipline, and a commitment to managing your money wisely. It's about making smart choices today that will pay dividends in the future. Avoid these mistakes, and you're well on your way to financial freedom. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more financial wisdom. I will see you in the next video.